Hey guys, today we are making orange juice. So if you like these kinds of videos, be sure to subscribe and get some navel oranges, and here we go. All right, welcome back everybody. It's Elizabeth from Madera Green Moments. So today I thought I'd make some orange juice. So you're gonna need a high-powered blender and your favorite orange of choice. I've got some navel oranges. They were on sale at the store, so let's start making it. All right, no juicer, no problem. What I'm gonna do is I've got 5 navel oranges, a bowl here, a strainer, and a high-speed, high-powered blender. I've got my Ninja blender here. I'm obsessed with this thing. If you haven't seen some of my other videos, they will be coming, or I've already posted them, so make sure to check it out. I will make a playlist of all my favorite recipes that I've been posting lately. But this thing is making juice and smoothies unreal. So I'm going to show you how you can make juice without a juicer. Just get a blender. And if you need a blender, seriously consider this one. I will link it down below. So we're going to take these navel oranges, and the next time you see them, they will be peeled. All right, that took some muscles. All right, here we go. We're putting them, oh, we can't get them in. Maybe I'm going to need to pull out the pieces. All right, guys, here we go. Pulled apart my navel oranges. I'm gonna put my lid on my Ninja blender here. I'm gonna show you how awesome this is. I still have one more I'm gonna add. We gotta wait for this to go down a little bit. All right, so I'm just gonna pop this right here so it makes easy pour. And I am not a huge fan of pulp, so and the pith that we blended in there too. So what we're going to do is we're going to strain our juice right here. And this takes a little bit of time just for it all to come through. Then we're going to have really nice orange juice. All right, guys, are you ready for the final taste test? Here it is. This makes about 2 of these glasses with the 5 navel oranges. Granted, this is probably not an economical way to make orange juice. You probably want to find a really good deal on your oranges, or maybe if you have an orange tree, I say go for it. But I'll probably be buying my orange juice and every once in a while make my own because it's going to be so yummy. All right, here we go. Oh guys, there's nothing like it. It tastes nothing like that concentrate store-bought junk. Buy clean as much as you can. And if you have the opportunity to make your own orange juice, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. I would love to see. Hope you guys are having a good day. I'll see you later.